Welcome to this video. Today we are diving into one of the most important parts of SEO, that is on-page SEO. Whether you are a blogger, business owner, or SEO beginner, understanding on-page SEO is essential for improving your website's visibility on Google. Let's break it down step by step. On-page SEO refers to all the optimization activities you perform within your website content and HTML to help search engines understand your page and rank it better. This includes content, keyword placement, meta tags, and user experience. On-page SEO helps search engines understand your content and match it to the right queries. A well-optimized page increases your chances of ranking higher and providing a better experience to your visitors. Let's explore the key components of on-page SEO. These are the factors you need to get right to ensure both search engines and users find your content useful and relevant. The title tag is the clickable headline user sees in search result. It should include your focus keyword and remain under 60 characters for better display. The meta description is the short summary below your title in search result. It does not directly impact ranking, but a compelling description can improve your CTR. Clean, short URLs that include your main keyword are easier to read and more SEO friendly. Avoid using unnecessary number or symbols. Use heading to structure your content. Your H1 tag is usually the page title and subheading H2 and H3. Organize your content for easy readability. Your content should be original, relevant, and valuable to the reader. Naturally include your target keywords, but don't overdo it. Aim for clarity and clutter. Search engines can't see images the way we do. That's why adding descriptive file names and alt text is crucial for image SEO and accessibility. Internal links guide users to related content on your site and help search engines crawl your website more efficiently. Google uses mobile-first indexing, so your site must be responsive. Test it on different devices to make sure it loads fast and looks great on phones and tablets. You don't have to do everything manually. Tools like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and Google Search Console can guide and track you on-page SEO progress. To recap, on-page SEO is all about optimizing your content, HTML, and layout to make your site more relevant and readable for both users and search engines. When done right, it can significantly boost your search engine rankings and engagement. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Want to master on-page SEO step by step? Check out now our full SEO course and other helpful tutorials linked below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.